Hello and welcome to this video to give you an overview of Rialto's Project Portfolio Management R-PPM powered by SharpCloud. So here on this view you can see that we actually have got three projects down here at the bottom of the screen. Projects 1, 2 and 3, and at this story up here this is the project portfolio, and here you see the status of the projects being visualized at a portfolio level. Now, if I want to go and change the status of these projects at a project level, and these projects just happen to be in a different location, for example, so if I go to move this, it'll ask me and I'll say yes, and I'm going to move that into the middle. Same for project number 2, I'm going to move that over down to green, and for project number 3, I'm just going to move that over to already here. So now we actually have, as project managers, we've updated our projects, but we now need to visualize that at a portfolio level. So currently these are in the wrong place, so I'm just going to refresh the screen, and this will refresh and resend the updated positions and status of the projects. So at a project portfolio level, you will now see the projects 1, 2 and 3 in the correct positions here up at a portfolio level. So here we go, project 1 is in the middle, project 2 is down here, green, green, and project 3 is red, red. During this, what you're able to then do is do management by exception. So if you can imagine, this is a very simple, we've only had 3 projects, but typically we'd have at least 100 to 200 projects. And so by management by exception, we can just say, well, just show me all the projects that are in red, for example. And very quickly, you can filter dynamically down to so you can see which projects you need to focus on. So this is a very easy way of visualizing your projects. Data from your existing project spreadsheet data can be quickly uploaded into the R-PPM solution powered by SharpCloud here, and you can start to uncover insights and make more informed decisions. To give you an example of a more complex solution based on this model, if I go here, this one here is based off a previous project that we just currently finished. And what this is showing you is more of actually how R-PPM is used to really collate projects. So in here there was around about 500 projects. We had a project data template which fed through into a project view template, so that inherits the data into this project view plate, and then we created a project template down here, so that inherits both the views and the data from these 2 templates. What we then do is we make copies of this one for each of the projects. So sitting around here at the project level was around about 501 to be exact projects. Some of these projects were in programs, so this was the Office 365 program, and you can see there were 3 projects part of that program. And so what we're able to do is we're able to take data from these standardized data templates using the SharpCloud data source. So that's the data sources here, where we can add a data source. In this case, we can either do SharePoint lists online or Excel tables online. And by doing that, we're able to upload the data from the various spreadsheets that you might be currently using and synchronize that up into the project story. Then, using the enterprise views, we're able to visualize key data from each of the projects at a program level, then take a view of that and actually upload the program items at a portfolio. So along here, you could have multiple IT projects or IT programs, and all of those be updating into the IT portfolio story. Likewise, over here we have different projects running. So these are capital asset programs of type A, B, and C, which might be due to location, size, complexity, cost, for example. And again, these can be rolling up. In this case, we've got it going straight into a portfolio. What we could do in this scenario is we could filter the programs by A, B, and C type at a portfolio level. Then what you're able to really do, which is now starting to get very powerful, is start linking portfolios together. So you have an enterprise portfolio management at this level here. At the same time, you could also have your business strategy, you could have a collaboration transformation roadmap, you could also have your business as usual business plans, all of these running independently in their own stories, but all taking their data from the data template. And that then allows us to roll all this information up into a senior leadership team or a director's board dashboard, where they're able to see all of the projects, their statuses, how they align to the business strategy and the business objectives, and how other BAU type projects are also running, and how they compare to the capital programs or projects that you might be running. So this is really how you can start to use R-PPM powered by SharpCloud to really create your enterprise portfolios. If you'd like to find out more, then what you can do is you can actually go and navigate your way down the web page. So if we go down, and what you can do here, you can have an opportunity to start visualizing your project portfolio using R-PPM to have a complimentary half-day workshop. And in the workshop here, we've set out the kind of 6 steps that we typically undertake. But to claim your workshop, what we need to do first is set up a R-PPM workshop call. So this is a half-hour call, 30 minutes, no more. Probably get it done quicker. But really, the purpose of this call is really just to qualify and discuss your project portfolio requirements and problems and challenges that you're facing, and really just determine if R-PPM can help you. So what you need to do is just click onto this button here, and you will get a list of dates and times to pick from. If you just select one, so if I just select this one just as an example, then all you need to do is just leave your details here in the form. Just click done once you've completed that, and you'll get an email confirmation come back to you. And also, if you leave this checked, you'll get a text message telling you about the meeting as well. Okay, I hope that's of interest to you, and I look forward to discussing your project portfolio sometime soon. Thanks very much.